Attention, everyone! The new Jungle King is Banana!
Wait, a fruit!
This jungle officially lost its mind.
From now on, no one eats bananas. They are sacred.
Uh-oh, I just ate one for breakfast.
Everyone must wear banana hats.
Does this make me smart or slippery?
You look like breakfast with legs. I'm done. A fruit can't rule us.
Careful, he might BAN you.
Even my enemies fall for me. He's the slipperiest king ever.
Next time, let's vote for someone who can't rot.
Appealing till the end.
After Banana became king, the jungle went crazy.
No more banana rules. We need freedom.
We'll call it Operation Unpeel.
Do we get snacks for this mission?
Down with banana! Down with banana! We want real food, not banana hats!
Traitors, I'll show you my power. His power just fell, literally.
This is war, but it smells delicious.
Guards, bring the juice blasters.
I'm sticky but free. Crow, aim the fan at him.
Roger that. He's officially dethroned.
Jungle is free again!
And we got unlimited bananas.
What did we learn?
Never fight a fruit with peels. Unless you want a split decision.